This is my little sister Melia. Today we are making a video to show you. And I tell you what it is? It is about volcanoes. Volcanoes are extremely hot and they are very, very beautiful. Let's start. There are thousands of volcanoes around the world. Do you know that? Some spray red or melted rock or lava. Others blast out clouds of ash. This is Mount Etna on Sicily shooting out lava. Hey friends, we can see around the world. Trees, plants, rivers, houses, buildings, many things. But there is a mystery we don't see. Even we can't think about it how it is really. Scientists know that. Let me tell you. The Earth has an outer shell called the crust. Underneath this is a hot rock called the mantle. The middle of the Earth is called the core. It is made of extremely hot metal. There are cracks in the crust. Hot rock melts and pushes it up. The melted rock builds up lava and then it bursts out. This is called an eruption. Do you know that? Eruptions are very dangerous. So don't stay close when volcanoes are about to erupt. Do you know what happens next? The lava hardens into rock. When a volcano erupts, the first time they are very small like this. But the erupting lava go down and hard because they are rock. Melted rock again become rock and then it become like a volcano. Then the shape comes of a volcano. Volcanoes are named after Vulcan, the Roman god of fire. Some lava is running, so gas inside it bubbles easily. This creates a gentle eruption. Running means go faster. This is Piton de la Fournaise on the island of Reunion. Runny lava sprays out of the it like a fountain. The lava spreads a long way before it cools and hardens. A volcano with gentle sloping sides slowly builds up. Some volcanoes have thick lava that is full of gas bubbles. Don't think the bubbles will come from water. The bubbles come from heat. Clouds of ash and big lumps of lava blast out into the air. It's like a very big eruption too. But it blasts out like a rocket. Some lumps of lava are jagged rocks called blocks. Other lumps cool into long twisted shapes called bombs. Some blocks of lava are as big as rocks. Do you know that? Lava that comes out from an erupting volcano is much hotter than boiling water. This glowing lava river sets fire to all the trees, plants, buildings it reaches. Thick lava breaks into rough chunks as it cools down. Runny lava sets into smooth, swirly shapes instead. Thick lava moves slowly, which gives people and animals time to escape. Violent eruptions throw out thick clouds of ash, rocks, and gas. These clouds sweep down the volcano's slopes. Do you know a little secret? Sometimes snow and ice on top of high volcanoes melt and mix with hot ash. The muddy mixture gushes down the volcano like a river. Clouds of ash, rocks, and gas move faster than a racing car. Many volcanoes form under this. They erupt gently and cool down quickly. Do you know what happens when this kind of volcano erupt? They grow taller. When it reaches the water surface, clouds of steam rises. Soon, the top of the volcano sticks up into the sea. The lava keeps building up and forms an island. This photograph, taken from space, shows the island of Hawaii. Hawaii was formed by underwater volcanoes. The dark area in the middle of the island is Mauna Loa, the world's biggest volcano. Underwater lava can harden into rock, called below lava. Sometimes, water heated by a volcano shoots out of the ground. This is called a geyser. Here you can see Old Faithful Geyser in Yellowstone National Park in US. Boiling water blasts out every hour. Rainwater gets trapped in lots of tiny cracks in the ground. Hot volcanic rock heats up the water until it freezes and boils. The boiling water bursts out into the air in a whoosh. Can you imagine it? It goes back into the cracks and it boils again. Some people use hot mud from around geysers to keep their skin soft. Volcanoes that are erupting in the future are alive. The ones that will never erupt are dead. This is Mount Popa, an extinct volcano in Burma. A temple stands on the top. A volcano can become extinct if hard lava plugs its main tube or vein. Over many years, the volcano sides wear away, leaving the lava plug. Some volcanoes don't erupt for thousands of years, but they are not dead, only sleeping. One of the worst eruptions ever was at Mount Vesuvius. It happened 2000 years ago. Ash and rocks from the volcano rained down in a nearby town called Pompeii. Some people hurried away, but others stayed in their homes instead. Later that day, Pompeii was buried in a river of mud that set hard like stone. I feel so sorry about it. Years later, experts found holes in the rock left by bodies that rotted away. They filled the holes with plaster, then cut away the rock to see the body shapes. This is a plaster model of a man who was choked to death by ash. Experts also found an oven with ancient loaves of bread inside. In 1980, the high snow-covered peak of Mount St. Helens in the USA was blasted away, an enormous eruption. This is what Mount St. Helens looked like before the years it erupted. One side of the volcano swelled up and the ground shook. Then what happened? Suddenly, the volcano sides exploded. So, from that day, the volcano was destroyed. This is how Mount St. Helens looked after the eruption. Part of the volcano was gone and the land around was destroyed. The volcano began rumbling again in 2004. Another eruption may be on the way. Volcanologists are people who study about volcanoes and predict when they will erupt. This volcanologist is using a machine. This machine senses the changes in the ground level. A bulge on a volcano's slope would mean melted rock is pushing up inside. The volcano making lots of gas before it erupts. So what they do? They take gas samples. The ground may also shake before an eruption. So the machine records the shaking. Satellites in space take pictures of the Earth that will make changes in the volcano's shape. Some people think that animals can sense when a volcano is about to erupt. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. So until next time, see you, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe.